So there's a lot of bad juju in there, and I've been doing some thinking about the amount of chemicals and wired brushes that it's going to take to clean that out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the pressure washer in there and blast it all out. Save me the time, the wire brushes, and all the toxic chemicals. I got some towels I'm going to lay down there just to catch the water, and hopefully I'll be able to blast this out pretty quick. So I'm not going to video it because I don't know how much is going to get sprayed around, but I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like afterward. There's the towels set up. I got those from the thrift store, and once I'm done, they're going to get thrown out because I'm not going to attempt washing those and getting all the metal chips and oil out. I'm just going to wait for this to dry overnight, and then I'll sweep it up or vacuum it up and get rid of those towels. It's a lot of chips. And then the table is finished. It's going to be on its way back Monday. That was $1,200, $350 to grind the table, $850 for the shipping. Absolutely ridiculous. So I should have it back late next week, and then I will start reassembling this.